Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to add a clickable link to your Instagram bio using an Android device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest and easiest steps to make your profile stand out and help your followers find your website, blog, or any important page you want to share. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add the link. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button right under your bio and tap on it. This is where you can change all your personal info, including your name, username, and, of course, your bio. Next, scroll down until you see the Links section. Tap on Links and then select Add External Link. This is the option that lets you add any website URL directly to your bio. Type or paste the link you want to share. Double-check to make sure the link is correct. This is what your followers will click on to reach your page. Once you've entered the link, tap Done or Confirm in the top right corner of the screen. Instagram will save your changes, and you'll be taken back to your profile page. Now, take a look at your profile. You should see your new link right under your bio. Anyone who visits your profile can now click this link and be taken straight to the website you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to your Instagram bio on Android. This is a great way to drive traffic to your latest content, promote your business, or simply share something important with your followers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date social media tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.